Solution architecture, especially in an enterprise environment, can be a risky issue. For example, in my project with Volkswagen, we were trying to integrate an external SaaS, software as a service application, into their systems without compromising data. And what I mean with this is we basically want to establish a pull-only mechanism that the SaaS software is not running in VW and especially is not able to just connect to every data source in there. And for this, you want to design some kind of ETL mechanism which extracts the data from the relevant VW systems, which is all under the control of VW, transforms it, meaning we are throwing away data that is unnecessary or that our third-party application provider does not need, and then load them, which is the abbreviation ETL, into their system. And the same way, actually on the way back, that we only take data that they published somewhere and pull it back into our enterprise system. And it's really important to have a look at the different connections, that it's all separated, under control, that we are implementing auditing and logging measurements, especially in Europe, where DSGVO or GDPR is very important, especially with intellectual property in companies like Volkswagen. And therefore, it's really important to manufacture and create a solution architecture document which documents all the decisions, like why did we decide on some technology or not, and especially mentions all the risks involved as well. Like what could happen, what can we do to prevent it, and how can we make sure that the application is not just integrated once, but constantly revised, that we probably close down on security measurements or impediments that are happening in the world. And actually on my website, I'm providing several drafts on how to create such a solution architecture document. And yeah, I would invite you to just have a look around the website. You can filter for solution architecture, or if you want, we could have a little discussion about your projects, like how would you create this kind of document to probably discover risks that you weren't thinking about, and how to make sure that it's safely integrated into your architecture. Okay, looking forward to being in contact with you, and have a look around my website. See you soon.